Now let's talk about what is transactional leadership. It is a style of leadership that focuses on supervision, organization, and performance. It is based on a system of rewards and punishments to motivate followers. There are key characteristics of transactional leadership. First is contingent reward. This is where leaders provide clear expectations and rewards for meeting them. Second is management by exception active. This is where leaders actively monitor work and take corrective actions when standards are not met. Third is management by exception passive. This is where leaders intervene only when standards are not met or when problems arise. Fourth is focus on efficiency. This is where leaders give emphasis on achieving efficiency and effectiveness in tasks. And last is short-term goals. This is where leaders concentrate on short-term goals and immediate results. Thank you and happy learning.